AI instruments. I know AI in music is not everyone's cup of tea, but when done right, like in this case, it can be a really useful tool. Let me show you. So I have this simple piano melody. Just to demonstrate, so this is in FL Studio and it is connected to Ace Studio. Now here we can create a new AI instrument. We got a big selection of realistic instruments. They got some new ones, so let's go for that. This Dizzy instrument, add it in, and now go back to FL Studio, and since it's connected, we can just copy our melody here and use the Ace bridge to record it. Select the track you want to use and just hit play. It will now record this melody into Ace Studio. Now we got the melody in Ace Studio, and now, instead of having a simple MIDI sound, it will actually use the AI to turn it into a realistic instrument. Let's hear it. Very nice, now it sounds like a real musician is playing this, and they actually did hire real musicians to create these instruments. So these are all high quality recordings with real musicians. Now let's try to change the sound to a viola, for example. Let's see how that sounds. That is sounding really good. And what you can do also, if you want to select all the notes, you have some articulation options. By default it's set to smart. Let's say we want pizzicato. Now we will have these short notes. What about glissando? You can see how it's dragging those notes around when they connect. And so you can really play around with this. Say we want these notes to be short. So in my opinion, this is the right way to use AI. It doesn't limit my creativity, it expands it. Now let's actually create a little orchestral piece with different instruments so we can really test this out. So you can create everything in Ace Studio, but I do prefer piano roll in FL Studio. So let's create a composition with a piano, and then I'm gonna add the MIDI into Ace Studio and apply it to different sounds. Maybe something like this for the chords. Let's do the melody. Okay, so this is my composition, but let's see what happens when we start applying AI instruments to it. So I could record it through Ace Bridge, but what I prefer is just exporting this as MIDI, and then I'm gonna load the MIDI in Ace Studio, just like so. Now we have it right here. Let me take the chords, and I'm gonna add them to a new instrument right here. And to make this even more realistic, I'm gonna take the lower notes from here, remove them, add them to a new instrument. So this is gonna be the low notes. Then take another pair of notes, add them as MIDI, and then we're gonna keep these double notes here. In real orchestral music, one instrument isn't usually playing the whole chords. You have it separated into different instruments. Now choose an instrument for each layer. So the lowest notes, we will use a double bass. Let's use a cello for these notes. And for these ones, let's use violins. Let's mute this for now, so we can just hear the chords by themselves. Let's extend this and let's duplicate our notes. And now let's have a listen. That is sounding really natural. I especially like the transitions between notes. Let's take our melody again and choose these high notes. we are going to create another AI instrument here. Let's take this violin, and it's going to be playing the high notes. Let's just hear them. We are building the orchestra. Okay, let me clone the bass, and let's add a different instrument here for the bass notes as well. Let's do French horn, and let's see how that sounds by itself. Okay, I want this big brass sound, so maybe do trombone then. Let's hear that one. Okay, I think I like this, but let's put it octave lower, like that. I want really deep tones. And now let's add the melody as well, because we want to hear it with everything we've got. I have a viola on the melody. Okay, so this is really exciting. We are essentially building our own orchestra inside of here. One more thing, I want to duplicate the melody and do like a pizzicato melody. Let's do this new saxophone. That is sounding great. It doesn't really fit this vibe. I just want to do like... And while the saxophone is kind of funny, I think we are better off using another violin. So let's use one right here, take the notes and make them pizzicato. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah. Let's hear how that sounds now. Pretty nice. I know it's just a short demo track, but the sounds are definitely sounding very realistic. Let's add some more layers. I just want to keep adding layers, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna add these extra notes in the second repetition, and let's hear how they sound by themselves. What about duplicating this again and doing even a higher layer? Okay, what I'm gonna do now is just export this, and I'm gonna do all individual tracks. Once exported, I'm gonna put all of these into FL Studio, and let's arrange it. Okay, let's just start with that. Then I arrange it with some drums, and I'm thinking, let's go back to A Studio. We can use some of the other AI tools. I'm gonna add a layer, backing vocals, cinematic choir, so we can add in the choir as well. And now, after a while of experimenting with different AI instruments in A Studio, we've got this result. I think that is pretty epic. I know this is not the most impressive track, but I wanted to show you how the AI instruments work and how you can use them. Anyways, if you want to check it out yourself, link is below in the description. They keep adding new instruments as well, so it is really exciting to see. I think this is utilizing AI in the right way, so I hope they keep on expanding on this. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!